Peak Optics beam wiper blades are a premium addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with 19mm push-button wiper arms. Before you begin, you'll need to determine the size of the wiper arm with a ruler or by trying to push a penny into the end of the arm. If you have a 19mm arm, and for this install you do, the penny will not fit. If you have a 22mm arm, it will fit. First, lift up the back of the pre-attached adapter, pull it out, and discard it. Next, find the adapter labeled M. Install the M adapter by aligning the arrow on the adapter at an angle with the arrow on the base of the wiper blade. Snap the adapter down in the back until you hear a click to engage the base. Now, find the adapter labeled B. Attach the B adapter onto the M adapter. Again, a click will indicate that it's properly in place. Then, with the wiper arm in the upright position, insert the back end of the adapter into the wiper arm opening. Take note, the button in the middle of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the wiper arm. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a protective cover over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Optics wiper blades.